Hey, Bubba does.
Hi everybody, today we're going to learn how to draw green from Rainbow Friends. I hope you'll follow along with us.
You're gonna need a pencil, a black marker, and something to color with.
Let's get started. Okay, first we're going to start with our pencil sketch as the character's map for the drawing. We're going to start right here in the middle and we're going to draw kind of two straight lines like this. And then we're going to kind of round off the top. Then we're going to do some legs coming out. One here. Another leg right here. And then we're going to do some big, long arms. Like this. And then maybe some open fingers like this. I'll try to get that tube-like arm to be even all the way around. It's kind of tricky. You can do it. I believe in you. Looks great.
There you go.
Looks awesome. Okay, we're gonna try to copy and do the same thing on this side. The arm coming down. It's always good to look at the other arm to see where you're stopping, curving up again. It's okay if it's not perfect, but we're just gonna try to match. And then up. Then we're going to draw another open hand. Oh, wait a little bit. If you catch up.
I'm a slow sketcher.
No, you're good.
Right.
And then we're going to open up the hand. That and back in. Perfect. This hand is much bigger, but I like that one better, so I'm gonna come over and fix this hand. Try to match the hand I like a little bit more. Yeah, that works for me. Okay, now that we have the arms, we have the legs, the body shape, let's do Green's big, scary eyes. So we have these big eyes like this. Another big one right here. And then I'm gonna erase that. And he has these big, goofy pupils looking off to the sides like this. And then big open mouth. He has this big tongue hanging out. And then we're gonna do some sharp, jagged teeth. Perfect, that looks great. And just so we don't forget, I'm gonna erase these lines where the arms meet because we want that to be part of the body. We don't wanna draw a line straight through. Just to help us remember. Okay. And there we have Green. Now let's give him an outline. I'm gonna start with the eyes. Big, goofy slash scary eyes, the big pupils. He's kind of cute, but also kind of terrifying.
It's a really odd mix. Very off-putting.
And then another big pupil over here. And I'll do the top of his head. And now, we really just go around, just following our line. Going down the arm, back up to the hand, back. We did all of the hard work, now we just get a trace. How you doing?
I'm doing good. We're mirroring.
You're doing a really good job.
Thank you.
We're almost there. Oops. Up.
That's okay.
Oh, you're beating me. I need to speed up.
It's okay. I'm usually the one behind, so I'll take a little lead.
Here we go. Okay, now we just have the mouth. So I'm gonna start with the tongue and come down, back up, and then go around. And then the teeth. Those jagged teethies. And there we have green. So I'm going to clean up the sketch just a little bit for my rough lines. And then we get to do the fun part, which is color him. Perfect. I'm gonna start with, we really only have the green and then the red. So I'm gonna try to fill in all the green. There we have green.
Yay!
Wow, that is a really cool green from Rainbow Friends.
Thank you so much. Yours is really spooky.
Thank you. I hope you guys will come back and draw more characters with us. Bye.
Please make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. This helps YouTube continue to share our videos so that more kids around the world can continue to learn how to draw with Bubba. Thank you!
Big box. Videos.